Hey, it's Andre here. I want to talk about an important principle, which is this idea of not overcomplicating things. So far in the course, we learned a ton. And there are so many more things, so many libraries, so many tools that we can use. And it's very, very easy to start using perhaps the latest React features, the latest, coolest library. Keep adding all these tools and trying to make your code look impressive. But that comes at a cost. Remember, when you're working on a team, when you're working with others, when you're working on big projects, how many lines of code you write isn't indicative of how good of a developer you are. I argue that the less code you write, the better it is, because every line of code means you need to test that code. It could be buggy code. It's a code that somebody has to read to maintain it. So you want to make sure that when you write code, you're not doing things just to look impressive, just to be clever. What you want to do is to keep things simple. Do you think that React hooks is confusing? Good, then don't use them. Use class syntax. Because good code isn't about what's the latest and what's the trendiest. Good code is about writing really predictable, clean, understandable code. And senior developers understand this. The cleaner your code, the simpler it is, the better it's going to do in the long term. So remember, next time you want to implement GraphQL, React Router, React Hooks, Context API, styled components, just for your simple to-do app, that's when you need to stop and reconsider. Hey, don't overcomplicate. Keep things simple.